Hi everyone and welcome to this week's Tech Tip. My name is Fujan and today we're gonna take a look at how to use Quick Search tool in Floor module. This feature has been added to the Floor module with our latest build, which is 7991. If you're working on a project that has more than few floor panels, this tool can help you look at the specific floor panel. Previously we had this feature for our wall module, and now we have added this to our floor module as well. So let's get started. So as you can see in this project, I have quite a few floor panels. In order to navigate Quick Search, you need to go to floor module, which is the green tab, green ribbon that we have, and the Quick Search is right next to the floor properties. Once you click the Quick Search, the dialog box will pop up, and you can go ahead and type in your desired entry in the search bar. It could be a number, a prefix, or a suffix. It could be anything that has been assigned to your floor. If I exit and if I zoom in, I have all the floors and the panels and the frames has been created. As you can see, this is floor panel 1, floor panel 2, and so on. So let's go ahead and open Quick Search again, and for example, let's just press 1 and hit search. So it will show how many panels has been found, which is 14, and you can see all the panels here which has number 1 in it. So if I single select floor panel 1, it will actually zoom in and select floor panel 1. As you can see, I think same with everything, which is floor panel 11. It will zoom in and select, and it will select the whole panel. Floor panel 15, and it will do the same. So this is how you can navigate in your project. Again, if you have more than multiple floor panels, this tool can be useful in many ways. We also have two more features in this dialog box. First one is case sensitive. So in order to use that, I will just quickly give my panel an alternate name. In order to do that, I will select edit, renumber panel by selection, and let's just give our panel an alternate name. For example, it could be SS, and I want it to start with 201. Hit select and just click the panel label. So SS 201, 202, 203, and 204. So now, since my panel has an alternate name, and if I were to select case sensitive now, and let me type in SS and search, it will not show any panels since our alternate name has capital S in it. So if I were to type SS in caps, and if I hit search again, it will show all 4 panels that we just created. So this is for sensitive cases in which if you need to type in something super specific, you can do that, and you can just search it all the time and it will pop up. The other feature is stop at first match, in which if you were to select, for example, number 1 and hit search, it will just show you whatever panel it finds at the first match, and if I unselect it and if I hit search, it will find all the panels which has number 1 in it. So again, this feature can be really useful while working on a busy or heavy project. And that was my time. Thanks for watching this week's Tech Tip, and have a good day everyone.